located amidst the Atlantic forest on the coast of São Paulo, the Iporanga house seems to emerge from the terrain on which it is implanted. Access to the house is via a bridge connecting it to the street, also serving as a shelter for cars. The land's occupancy limitations imposed a streamlined program. With a total of 129 square meters, there are 2 suites on the access floor, and on the lower floor a living room veranda connected to the deck and the pool, which overlooks the forest with the sea in the background. The entrance hall opens up to the surrounding forest and solves the vertical circulation, housing the staircase leading to the lower floor. The lower floor, touching the ground, is constructed with reinforced concrete and stone, connecting the interior and exterior through generous openings. The entire social area of the house is integrated into an open concept environment, encompassing the living room, veranda, and kitchen with a compact barbecue area. The space opens up to both the front view of the sea and the forest, as well as to a lush garden, where the main feature is a palm tree remaining from the original forest. The uncovered deck embraces the pool, which extends over the forest on an inclined plane, providing lightness as it lands on the terrain as well as a privileged view of the sea. Through a long veranda, the 2 suites open up to the sea view. On this floor, the construction process opted for wood frame construction, internally lined with cementitious panels and externally clad with demolition-derived peroba rosa wood, enabling a fast and clean construction. The suites have access close to the entrance hall next to the staircase leading to the lower floor.